The 5 bills, among them Privatization Bill, which was passed by the National Assembly in February this year, seeks to address the reappointment of serving members of the Kenya Privatization Commission upon the expiry of the first term of office, subject to favorable performance evaluation. The bill, which now becomes law after its signing by the President, outlines the procedure in the presentation of privatization proposals to Parliament following approval by Cabinet. The Public Service Commission Bill outlines a legal framework for the operation and administration of Public Service Commission to effectively deliver on its constitutional mandate. The new law seeks to ensure efficiency and certainty with regards to the process of filing vacancies of members of Public Service Commission. The law stipulates the conditions the Commission shall adhere to in determining and creating the number and kinds of offices in the public service as proposed by a public body or the President. It provides guidelines for appointment and promotion of officers in public service in consonance with constitutional principles of non-discrimination, two-thirds gender rule, and inclusivity of persons with disabilities, marginalized communities, and youth in such appointments, transfers, and promotions. The new law, which will now become operational after being assented by the President, establishes a clear disciplinary procedure that effectively protects the rights of public officers as provided in Article 45 of the Constitution and the Fair Administrative Act. The Statute Law Miscellaneous Bill makes miscellaneous and minor amendment to, amongst others, the Judicature Act Cap 8, Advocates Act Cap 16, the Prison Act Cap 90, the Income Tax Cap 47, the Income Tax Act Cap 470, and the Value Added Tax 2013. The Appropriation Bill, which the President signed into law, was passed by the National Assembly this week, and it grants for the issue out of consolidated fund the sum of more than 1 billion shillings required to meet public expenditure during the financial year ending on 30th June 2018. The bill further appropriates the money granted for services and purposes specified in the schedule, which is based on the estimates for 2017-2018 financial year.